Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Jasper for SEO blog drafts with brand voice, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Jasper website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the subscription process. Fill in the required information, such as your name and email address. Create a secure password for your account. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to accept the terms if you agree. Click on the Next or Continue button to move forward. Select your preferred subscription plan. Choose the plan that best fits your blogging needs. Proceed to the Payments section. Enter your payment details, including credit card information. Confirm your payment information is correct. Wait for a confirmation email from Jasper. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Log in to your newly created Jasper account. Set up your brand voice by navigating to the voice settings. Fill in the necessary information about your brand's tone and style. Save your preferences to ensure consistency in your blog drafts. Start a new project by selecting the blog post option. Input your blog topic or keywords to generate draft ideas. Allow Jasper to analyze the information and create a draft for you. Review the generated draft and make any necessary edits. Use Jasper's suggestions to refine your content for SEO optimization. Finalize your blog draft and prepare it for publishing. You are now ready to create SEO-friendly blog drafts using Jasper. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.